introducing a tram line through Kalamunda Hill.
We also want our road network to be more pedestrian oriented and therefore safer.
Hello, my name's Toby. I'm from Kalamunda.
Our community is very welcoming with our sporting clubs, with our basketball and our footy and our netball. They really get us kids involved with it.
These are the ones that stood out to us. In Oakbrook and the surrounding areas.
Research conducted, we know what should be added to our community to make it safer and better.
In my community, one positive thing I'd say would be the shopping centre, because it brings everyone together after school and we all socialise and talk about our day.
I live on the north side of Perth, and there are some great places like skate parks and sports centres where kids can hang out during the day.